Hello everyone, in today's video or tutorial I'm going to explain um, numbers and strings of digits, how to prompt a user to give you a number and then you can perform operation with the numbers. So how it's going to work is very simple. So I'm going to use the input function in Python to request a number from someone. So let's take an exercise, a little problem. So I'm going to prompt a user for two numbers and then I'm going to print out a sentence stating the sum of the numbers. So for instance, if the user entered 2 and 3 and I would like to print out the sum of 2 and 3 is 5. So it's just kind of a mini calculator. So let's do something like that. Let's say user 1 input enter a number, user 2 input enter is supposed to be in the enter a second number. So I want to print it now. So print the sum of user 1 and user 2 is user 1 plus user 2. So I want to put an exclamation mark just at a full stop using the sep function. Sep. So okay, is 2. Okay, let's print it. Let's see what's gonna happen. So it will prompt me to enter 2. Oops, sorry. Okay, input here is having two pieces. So sorry for that. Let's run it again. I'm gonna input 2. I think that the sum of 2 and 2 is 22. Now if you take note now, you can see now that is accepting these 2 as a string, and for me to convert it to integer, just look at what I'm going to do. Now it gives 22 because Python is seeing your input as as a string, not as an integer. So what you're going to do here is you come to this part, this place, you put int, you enclose everything inside here as 8. So int, I seen that now. So I'm going to run the program again. You see what's going to happen. So if I input 23, I see this now. The sum of 23 and 23 is what? 46. So now it can now accept your input as an integer. Before it was accepting it as a string. That was why it gave 22 when you gave 2. What's the sum of 2 and 2? It gave you 22. So this is just how to do a simple calculation, a simple program that can accept input in form of a string and then give you an output. So there is an exercise I'm going to give you. An exercise. Now the exercise is this. You can pause the video and do this exercise. Um, um, write a program that asks for three numbers. List all the numbers, all the three, and their sum and put them in the same format as you have learnt. So the exercise is very simple. You write a program that can accept three numbers. You list all the three numbers, and then with their sum, with their sum. Just listing is enter number one, enter number two, enter number three with their sum, and then put them in this same format that I did. So that is where I'm going to end for today's class.